Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the Traveling Clouds channel. Thank you for joining us as we venture off into Punta Cana for my husband's birthday. We are leaving out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we actually did arrive a little bit early. We were on standby, as you can see, and we got on that flight with no issues. Plenty of seats were left, and we were in emergency exit row, so we had a little bit of extra space, so that was good. But the flight was about 3 hours, and it was a good flight, no issues. And we're traveling 21725, so there's people are scared to fly because of the different accidents that are happening. And we've had this trip booked for months, and we can't drive there, so we were flying.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned on.
Hola.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm doing great, and you? So
That
welcome
is-
to Punta Cana. My name is Nora. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, just your right?
Yes.
So please follow me. Recuerden Ezequiel.
Can I get the sign? Thank you.
Is your first time in Punta Cana?
Yes.
Wow, welcome to Dominican Republic.
Thank you.
Wow, how many days do you want to be here?
6.
6.
It's his birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Wednesday is his birthday.
Huh? You have the all winter celebrate.
Right.
And where did you go? Where are you going to stay?
Excellence Punta Cana.
And your transportation to the resort?
Yes. Seasons. Yes.
And how many jet bags do you have?
How many?
Jet bags?
None.
No jet bags?
No check bags. That's what we have with us.
Okay. And do you have the e-ticket?
Yes. Yep. We did both of them, the arrival and the departure.
In this service, they get the food. You have a lunch. You will take your right process there.
Okay.
I will help you with the cost of the time and take you to your transportation.
Okay.
So please, I need the passports.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Hi. Cheers. Canita, bar. You heard my name. This Escalade real quizzy.
Sit down, okay? Let's go. Claro.
Yeah.
And a glass of champagne.
Okay.
Sounds good for you, right?
Yeah, sounds great, man.
Yeah, baby, you wanna get it?
I got two Maggie sauce. This one for you. This one is.
Is it record?
Yeah, it's on. It's
Oh,
right.
okay, cool.
Big Papi.
Got you, babe.
And a glass of champagne. So any special celebrations? Any of your birthday?
See,
Celebrate
27.
Yeah,
it's 27, man.
It's a good number. That's not important. Para ti.
Good.
Gracias. Y para ti.
Gracias.
Feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday, brother.
Appreciate it. Cheers.
Thank
you. Thank you.
Wow. Wow, like Santa Claus. Johnson Cloud.
Dominican seafood. Dominican food.
Dominican seafood, okay.
Dominican food. Dominican lunch. Dominican farm.
Ready, lobster.
Breakfast and lunch right there.
You too. Love it.
Breakfast and lunch right there.
Okay.
Yes. At the beach, another buffet restaurant. Coffee just for lunch. Right there.
Yeah, just for lunch.
Gorgeous. Love the smell of that water.
Lobster.
Yeah.
And lobster house. Korea, and lobster house.
Okay. Lobster house open all the time?
Open at 6 o'clock to 7.
6 o'clock. Okay.
And here is the train.
There is a girl.
6 o'clock to 7.
Okay.
Call Nisi to tell you. You remember?
72G.
Get these keys out quick enough. Yeah, there. Enter.
Entrada.
Good in here.
Yeah, it smells good and it feels good. Okay, rainfall
Let the
show.
vacation begin.
Let it begin. Distilled water. Oh, for the steamer. Okay. Yeah. Oh, them extra pillows. Okay.
What is this?
Barcelo. Oh, Dominican rum, maybe? Talking about. We need some Vino Blanco. Oh, okay.
Love it, baby.
Yep, definitely gonna be in there.
Yes.
Oh, I see water, babe.
Yeah, I see water too.
Yeah, this ain't bad.
Pero que sí.
I think there's some back there. I think they back there. The plates. Yeah, there they go. Smells good. Chicken and rice. Potato salad. Oh, that look good. Tomato. I want some of that fish. Ooh, didn't we just had this? That's all right. Thank you. Go back to the clock. Onion steak, stewed eggplant. Stewed pork. Some kind of beans. Yeah, I want some beans. Beans. Rice and beans. Coconut fish beans. Coconut fish in that middle. That's what this is talking about on one of the videos. You can see what that look like. Oh yeah. Little piece. You want some? That looks amazing. Hook me up, dude. Put some shrimp on here. Give me a mussel. Yeah. Is it open?
Dominican Night.
Beef fried and chicken fried. I'm gonna try this.
Papitas. I want some plantains. Tacos? Salsa. My hair was in the plate. Yeah, you gotta be careful. I see. That's what's tomato? That looks good. That looks amazing. Which one I like? These the potatoes? What's this right here, babe? Cool. Oh, okay. Okay.
Salsa. Wow. Sick. Pero qué sweet.